Hey SoCal homeowners, let's talk about your HVAC system. It's your best defense against our unique climate. We've got hot, dry summers and surprisingly chilly winters. That means your system works hard all year round. Ignoring maintenance is like driving your car without ever changing the oil. Eventually, it's going to break down. You don't want to be stuck in the middle of a heat wave with a busted AC, right? Regular maintenance keeps your system running smoothly. It can even save you money on your energy bills. And trust me, every penny counts these days. So let's get down to business. I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to get your HVAC ready for anything Mother Nature throws at it. Don't let those sunny days fool you. Winter does come to SoCal. Before the temperature drops, give your HVAC system a little TLC. First things first, change those air filters. A dirty filter restricts airflow, making your system work harder and costing you more money. Aim to change them every 1 to 3 months, especially during high-use seasons. Next, check your thermostat. Make sure it's set to heat mode and that the temperature is accurate. A programmable thermostat can be a lifesaver here, allowing you to adjust temperatures throughout the day and save on energy costs. Don't forget about your outdoor unit. Clear away any debris like leaves, branches, or trash. These can obstruct airflow and cause problems. A clean unit is a happy unit. Your furnace is your best friend during those chilly SoCal nights. Here's how to make sure it's ready for action. Inspect your ductwork. Look for any gaps, holes, or loose connections. These leaks can waste a ton of energy and drive up your heating bills. Seal them up with duct tape designed specifically for this purpose. Make sure your vents are clear and unobstructed. Furniture, rugs, or curtains blocking vents can restrict airflow and make your furnace work harder than it needs to. Finally, consider getting your furnace professionally inspected. A qualified technician can spot potential problems and ensure everything is running efficiently. Section 4. Summer HVAC Prep, Beating the Heat. When those summer temperatures soar, your AC unit becomes your new best friend. Here's how to keep it running cool. Give your AC unit a good cleaning. Remove any debris from around the outdoor unit. Use a hose to gently spray away dirt and grime. A clean unit runs more efficiently. Check for refrigerant leaks. Low refrigerant levels can significantly reduce your AC's cooling power. If you suspect a leak, call a qualified technician to repair it. Consider investing in a programmable thermostat for your AC as well. This allows you to set different temperatures for different times of day, saving you money on energy costs. Section 5. The pros know best. Inspections and regular servicing. I can't stress enough the importance of professional HVAC inspections and regular servicing. Think of it like taking your car to the mechanic for a tune-up. A qualified technician can identify potential problems before they become major headaches. Clean and inspect components you can't reach or may not even know about. Ensure your system is running at peak efficiency, saving you money on energy costs. Aim for at least one professional inspection per year, ideally in the spring or fall before the peak cooling and heating seasons. Section 6. Energy savings. Keeping your cool and warmth without breaking the bank. Here are a few bonus tips to maximize your HVAC's efficiency and keep those energy bills in check. Seal up air leaks around doors, windows, and any other openings. Weather stripping and caulk are your friends here. Use ceiling fans to circulate air, helping your HVAC system work less. Consider upgrading to a smart thermostat for even greater control over your home's temperature. Plant trees or shrubs around your house to provide natural shade and insulation. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way. By following these simple tips, you can keep your HVAC system running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Stay cool, SoCal.